Namaskar, friends. This is the most wonderful second day for our 90 days listening and English speaking session. I've introduced you with some of the mottos which we have in the coming time. Exactly, Miss, I have focused on this point that somewhere we must have more listening practice. हमने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अंग्रेजी सुनना चाहिए. So nowadays we have so many opportunities to listen to English contents. We have the flurry of social media, and social media floods with so many audio clips and video clips where English is largely the matter of communication. It is the language of communication. I am deliberately preparing these videos in English most of the time because the single motto behind this one is nothing but to provide the viewers not to see to the video, but while watching video, the English words, English sentences, and whatever the contents are, those contents should be informed to you. Those contents should be communicated with you, especially in English. This is the motto. And at the same time, where we can begin exactly. So at the same time, if we think about middle class and higher middle class, their wards, their children are mainly learning in English school. Or if we think about Maharashtra, they learn in semi-English medium. All the children have a lot of opportunities. So now, in this COVID pandemic, we know we all are taking education online. Mostly the students who are in English medium or semi-English medium, they are the subjects specifically for English medium. Social sciences is there, English is there, mathematics is there, science is there. And exactly for semi-English medium students, apart from English, they have mathematics and science, that is mainly in English language. So that's why we cannot say that we don't have opportunities, because teachers speak some English, definitely there. In English medium schools, mostly English language is used, sometimes only to explain some concepts. Might be the native language, or at the same time Hindi might be used. In semi-English also, the teachers go 50-50%. And that's why we are well aware of English phenomenon. This is exactly the truth. I want to bring you some of the major contents which will go on around means whatever is happening in the society, whatever is happening around the globe in various fields. For 2 to 3 minutes we will have some information on that one, and that information will be reciprocated with you in English. So that's why it is my little attempt, एक छोटा सा प्रयास है कि आप लोगों को कम से कम 2 से 3 मिनट तो किसी कंटेंट के ऊपर आपको कुछ इंग्लिश में सुनने के लिए मिले. So all are my friends who are going to school, and as I have also told that parents can also avail of this particular opportunity for a Raison's English School listening and speaking session. Today the whole world has been going through COVID-19 pandemic. Well, a lot of problems. Mainly we are just sitting inside our homes. The word lockdown is the specific word which becomes part and parcel of our lives. Lockdown is surely essential if we have to break the chain of coronavirus. That's why the partial lockdowns have been taking place nowadays. Almost all the countries where the attack of coronavirus has been there, in those countries also somewhere these lockdowns are observed. Now unlocking process began, and that began just 2 months back. The desired results are there. Undoubtedly in India, if we speak specifically or Maharashtra or in our area, definitely there are the spikes place to place. But those particular spikes definitely provide us, the corona warriors, the government, the local administrations, the taluka administrations, the district administrations, the divisional administrations, how the thing should be tackled. And moreover, we all have adapted to all these particular things. This adaptation is definitely very essential because we all are just heading towards the new normal. The new normal is the specific term coined as far as COVID-19 is concerned. Because the normal life will come कि सामान्य जनजीवन तो आने ही वाला है, उसमें कोई सवाल ही नहीं है. But there we have to take some cares. We have to wear the mask. We have to wear the face shield. We have to wash our hands regularly. We have to keep as much as the social distance we can. We have to avoid to enter the area where the crowd is there. So if we take these precautions in this new normal situation, definitely coronavirus would come to stand still. Now, if you observe, I just discussed some issues about COVID-19 pandemic. I just talked about lockdown. I just talked about the essentials of lockdown. I just talked about what the local to global administrations are doing. And finally, we talked about the new normal life. So when you listen to this particular phenomenon, you might listen to it, not my whole video now, today's whole video, there is no need to miss watch, but from 7 minutes to 10 minutes, means for 3 minutes, you can only listen to this particular COVID-19 explanation which is given by me. And that explanation would surely survive the aim of our listening to some specific point, to specific topic. So that is the listening practice I have provided to you. So daily or by alternate days, you will get the videos simultaneously on listening and speaking. I don't want to give you more torture by talking about 25 minutes and 30 minutes. These small videos definitely will solve the purpose. Where 90 days phenomenon. Then after that we will enter into the second phase, more advanced phase. This is the primary phase, we may say. But regularly you have to watch these videos. Then definitely this Raisons English School Shirat Shahpur listening and speaking program will serve the best purpose to get friendship with this Queen's language. So, it's my request to all viewers, please subscribe the channel, please like the channel and share the channel. You just provide it to as many as your clothes, that may be kids and kids, your relatives, your friends. And then definitely this new venture will help you a lot. So thank you very much. Thank you.